students, I am Asutosh Ranjan, science teacher from Modern English School, Bihar Sharif branch. Today I am going to deliver my third lecture for your fifth chapter, Our Body. In my second lecture, I have discussed about four organ systems: skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, and respiratory system. Today I am going to discuss four remaining organ systems for human body about their function and structure. So next fifth organ system is nervous system. Nervous system is that organ system by which different messages are transmitted in our body, and all organs are communicate to each other, so our body perform different types of activities. As we know that our body is controlled by our brain, so how message is transferred to brain? This system is nervous system. By nervous system is combination of some organs, that is brain, and different types of nerves. These nerves are motor nerves, sensory nerves, and mixed nerves. So by these three types of nerves, different messages are forwarded to brain, and brain control all body functions of our body. Without brain, our body cannot perform any work. Our body is not in our control. So sensory nerves carry message from body to brain, whereas motor nerves carry message from brain to body. Sensory nerves carry message from organ to brain, whereas motor nerves carry message from brain to body, brain to muscles, and mixed nerves interconnect to both types of nerves, and brain give instructions, control all organs of our body, and by which nerves and brain our body controlled, and all functions are controlled by brain. So nervous system by which all body organs are controlled and perform different life functions. So this is nervous system. Next organ system is circulatory system. Circulatory system is that system by which necessary material is circulated in whole body. As we intake food, as we get nutrients, so these all nutrients are required in our different body parts. So how this nutrient is transported in our body? So by circulatory system, different nutrients and required materials are transported in our body. And in circulatory system is combination of some organs. These are the main component by which materials are transported, that is blood and heart and blood vessels. By blood vessels and through the blood, all required materials, vitamins, minerals, nutrients, enzymes are transported in whole body parts, and we get energy and necessity of organs completed. So blood is the medium, and in blood vitamins, minerals, nutrients, enzymes are transferred in all body parts. So circulatory system is combination of heart, blood vessels, and blood, and by blood all materials, required materials, and also waste material is transferred. Waste material is transported in different body parts. So this is the circulatory system. And next organ system is excretory system. Excretory system is combination of some organs, that is kidney, urethra. These are organs by which waste materials, unnecessary materials are transported, unnecessary materials are excreted, released from our body. Unnecessary materials is transported from our body. So this is the excretory system. Excretory system, as we intake food, as so after digestion of food, as we take liquid water, after digestion processing, all required materials converted into waste, and these wastes are excreted, released from our body by excretory system. And next organ system that is very important for existence of life on the earth, that is reproductive system. Reproductive system is that organ system by which any living things produce same kinds of young ones. Means any organism, living things produce on organism, on your young ones, as human baby, cow, calf, dog, puppies, so hen, chick. So all living organisms produce same kinds of young ones by reproduction process, and these organ systems are called as reproductive system. So these are 8 organ systems found in our body by which any human body, any living things perform their life activities. So now your 5th chapter, our body, is completed. In my next lecture, we will meet with some new points for your science chapter. For today, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.